welcome in SSC. First, you to be a safe and healthy. सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा तुम्ही सुरक्षित आणि सदृढ राहा आणि मग आपण आता अभ्यासाला सुरुवात करूया. We are starting with the science and technology part 1. We are starting our second lesson, periodic classification of element. First, we need to know the meaning of each content present in this lesson. As per a title, we need to know the word periodic. What is periodic? Periodic means after certain intervals similar, repeating. For example, our weekdays, Sunday, Monday, they are repeating after certain interval. So they are called periodic. Seasons are periodic. Classification means systematic arrangement of an content. So in this lesson, we are systematically arranging element. So let's start with the element. What is an element? A matter which cannot be separated by physical and chemical way is called element. Means a matter किसी भी वे से separate नहीं कर पाता है. A content which cannot be separated by any way, any method is called element. जो separate कर सकते हैं that is not element. जो separate नहीं कर सकते हैं that is called element. So let's see with the example. H2O. What is H2O? H2O is water. So is it an element? No, it is not element. Why? Because water can be separated into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. If water can be separated into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas, that means it is not element. Okay, so it is not element. Let's talk about this hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Can we able to separate hydrogen molecule? Yes. If it can be separated into hydrogen's atom, that means this hydrogen gas is also not element. Similarly, this oxygen is also separated into atom. That means this oxygen gas is also not element. Now let's see about this hydrogen. If I am trying to separate this hydrogen like this one, half of hydrogen is over here and half of hydrogen is over here. Guys, is it possible? If no, if this is not possible to separate like this one, that means it is an element. हमें यहाँ पर दिखाई देगा कि जो ऑक्सीजन का एटम है, ये भी हम लोग इस तरीके से इस ऑक्सीजन एटम को हम लोग आधा ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पर और आधा ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पर ऐसे सेपरेट नहीं कर पाएंगे. When we can't do this one, that means it is an element. We can't do this. So that's why I want to say a matter which cannot be separated is called an element. Till now, known elements are, total number of known elements are 118. This 118 elements is classified into metals, non-metals and metalloids. Metals and non-metals, their information we are knowing it very well. In our previous standard we studied effectively. Even in this year also we have a detailed study of them. But now for this lesson we no need to study all 118 elements. Only first 20 elements if we are going to study is more than enough. And some of that study we already done in our 9th standard. Last year we did hydrogen, helium, lithium, so on. First 20 element, that means from hydrogen to calcium. In your notebook, the content is already there. 9th standard notebook, last page. I have given you one table where elements name, atomic number, their symbol, electronic configuration. The same content we are using this year also. But now see, by a modern way, we are classifying elements like this one. We have a deep study of metals, non-metals later on. But now we need to know what are metalloids. Metalloids. There are some elements are showing properties of metals as well as non-metals called metalloids. एलिमेंट्स में कुछ ऐसे एलिमेंट्स हैं, दे आर शोइंग प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मेटल एज वेल एज नॉन मेटल, दे आर कॉल्ड एज अ मेटलॉइड. सिलिकॉन, जर्मेनियम, पोलोनियम, सेलेनियम, आर्सेनिक, एंटीमनी, ऐसे बहुत सारे मेटलॉइड्स के एग्जाम्पल हैं. एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, बोर्ड एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, द फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इज what is metalloid? Give a 2 example of metalloid. So copy this one. This is introduction of this lesson. Guys, while to start this lesson, we need to aware first 20 elements. And this one is your homework. You need to know it very well. Last year we did a practice of the same one. वही मुझे वापस चाहिए. मुझे आपके पास लास्ट ईयर के वो 1 to 20 एलिमेंट्स और उनकी इंफॉर्मेशन मुझे जैसे के वैसे चाहिए. आई वॉन्ट यू टू राइट इन योर नोटबुक 1 to 20 एलिमेंट्स. स्पेशली यू आर गोइंग टू राइट इन द लास्ट पेज because the same content we are using so many times while in a lecture. So do the practice of same one and it is your homework. Guys, as per our lesson title, periodic classification of element, now we are going to study how the elements are systematically arranged by peoples. Now you see, there are some examples of systematic arrangement around us. The first and very common example around us is our mother. Our mother is arranging all the things of our house systematically in our house. A second example is principal. You see, principal is arranging all the activities of a school systematically. Third one, librarian. Librarian is also arranging a number of books in his library systematically. Now you see, they are doing their work effectively. We need to focus systematic arrangement of element. Now who will do this systematic arrangement? You? Me? No, we are not. This systematically arrangement is done by scientists. And this is not a one scientist work, guys. A number of scientists contributed their work. And this is actual study of this lesson. Let's see.